Welcome back to Those Vegan Chefs. I'm Stefan, and this channel is dedicated to making you a better vegan cook. Today it's all about Vegetable Kung Pao featuring parsnips and a vegan oyster sauce. You're gonna love it, so let's make it.
Parsnips are amazing in this Vegetable Kung Pao recipe. Cutting the parsnips in half exposes the core. Removing the core from the parsnip is key. The core is fibrous and tough. Poaching of the parsnips is an opportunity to flavor the outside of the parsnip, creating a contrast, salty and savory on the outside, sweet and tender on the inside. Baking the parsnips for a mere 10 minutes dries the parsnips, allowing them to caramelize fully during the sautéing process. The vegetable prep is very straightforward. The key is to add more or less of what you like. For me, chopped ginger and garlic are two of my favorite flavors, so I tend to go a little heavy. Large pieces of scallions and bell pepper add a wonderful contrast of texture and color. Cracking of the Sichuan pepper helps to release the mouth-numbing heat as well as all of the citrus aromas. Using the parsnip poaching liquid is the perfect base to make our version of a vegan oyster sauce. Toasting and sautéing the kelp granules in extra virgin olive oil, releasing its full briny sea flavors. Layer upon layer, this sweet parsnip poaching liquid with hints of acid and brine, umami from the soy sauce, all working together. This step is very straightforward. We're going to heat a pan over medium-high heat, add our extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to saute and toast each individual ingredient, starting with the peanuts, the peppers, parsnips, and bell peppers. Pulling it all together is fast and easy. We're going to start by toasting the ginger and the garlic with a pinch of salt. Add all of the remaining ingredients, stirring to mix and eat. Add the vegan oyster sauce, cooking just until it starts to reduce. The finished Vegetable Kung Pao should be vibrant in color, full of texture, roasted peanuts, poached parsnips, with an umami-packed sauce full of spicy Sichuan peppers.
The sauce turned out so authentic and vibrant and delicious. The thing I'm really excited about are the parsnips. They're salty on the outside, they're sweet on the inside with this beautiful texture. Can't wait to play with that more. And as always, we'll see you next week.